Hello. Today I have this 2014 GMC Terran, the 2.4-liter engine, and the customer complained about the car is stalling, and usually when he turn it off, and the car is still running for like 5 seconds, and if you pull off the oil dipstick, and if you smell it, you will smell like oil and fuel mixed together, and that means that the high pressure fuel pump, the seals is gone, and it start leaking inside the engine. So I have done this like 10 times before, and I just replaced it. Now start it and drive it for like 15 miles, turn it off and on and off, and the car seems fine now. Let me show you the old one here. I just a little bit clean it. It was just full of crap and it's stuck inside. You gotta clean inside when you open, and you gotta clean the little lurens inside the engine that attached to the cam and keep rolling. You gotta clean this one and grease it also. And install the new one. It's too easy, just two 10mm bolts over here. After you remove the cover, there is two bolts on this side you're gonna remove, and there's a little nut down there. This one right there, 10mm, that you're gonna remove also. You're gonna remove this cap or shell, and then you're gonna disconnect the fuel line over here, and there is a fuel line that's attached to the other side, which is the one over here. Is 17mm wrench, the one attached to this side, 17mm wrench. And you're gonna lose it a little bit from the bottom. Another, see this pipe right there, fuel pipe. You're gonna lose this one a little bit, so to have a room for replacing take off the high pressure fuel pump. Let me show you the codes that I have. Oh, I gotta grab my scanner right quick. Sorry about that. And it's a GM 2.4 liter. He cut my skin too. And I'm gonna show you now when I start it. When I turn it off, and it's still running for like 4 or 5 seconds. And now when I turn it off, just boom, right away. That's the code that I have here. It's P0191, fuel pressure sensor performance, fuel trim system breach. It's the only two codes. I used to have the misfiring code, and it's gone. This is a bending until you drive it, and then it cleared itself. And I get a clear vision. Sees no more codes, and I drove it like 15 miles, shut it off, and it's not still running like before. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.